So this is a good question. I get this a lot. We work a lot with real estate agents, and so we get this question somewhat often. One resource is to check out the the property appraiser's website or the building department's website. You can get a permit. That's not always a permit date. That's not always going to tell you the condition of your roof. There are a lot of factors: storms, ventilation, the original installation, all sorts of things like that affect the longevity of a roof. So we're more than happy to come out and do an evaluation for you, take a look around, see what kind of condition it's in. We can usually give you a pretty good ballpark of how old the roof is or how many years of what we call useful life are remaining left in the roof. And that'll give you a good baseline to make decisions from there.